Good morning, students. In my last video, we have done the revision of this Unit 1 exercise first A. In that, we had discussed about the Roman numbers and we have talked about certain rules. And now let's move ahead towards question number 3. Write the predecessor of. So here what it is asking, write the predecessor of these given numbers. So what is predecessor? Students, predecessor is nothing but one number less. One number less than the given number. Whatever number is given, from that one number less is the predecessor of that given number. For example, here it is given 30,000. So if we subtract 1 from this 30,000, one number before 30,000, what will be that number? What is that number? 1 less than 30,000. If we subtract 1 from the 30,000, so 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 9, 9 and so here what number we have got? 29,999. So the predecessor of the 30,000 is 29,999. Now again in question B it is given 2,09,000. So what is the predecessor of this number? It is given 2,09,000. So what will be one number less than this number? So that number will be 2,08,999. How? 8,999, because when you add in this number 1 you will get 9,000. So it comes 2,09,000. So the predecessor of this number is 2,08,999. Similarly, the predecessor of 52,000, one less. So it means 52, it comes 51,999. In 999 you plus 1, so you will get 50,000. So this is the predecessor of 52,000. 78,700. So it is 78,699. Similarly, 5,97,000. So the predecessor of this number is 5,96,999. So predecessor is nothing but one number less than the given number. See, this is the numbers which are come before this number. We can see this, which numbers are coming before 29,999, 30,000, 2,08,999, 2,09,000. So this is the predecessor of this given numbers. Okay students, now let's move towards question 4. Write the place value of the given digits. Now see here some numbers are given and you have to find out the place value of the digits. Some digits are given from that numbers and you have to find out their place value. So what is place value, students? Place value is nothing but the position of a digit in a given number. Whatever numbers are given, in that how many digits are given, on which position they are located, that is their place value. Now see here in A, here in this number there are ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So we will read it as 25,683. So there are 5-digit numbers and we will read it 25,683. So we have to write the place value of the digit which it is asking. Now here from this number, if we talk about the places, 25,683. Now here 3 at the ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, so the position of 3 at once, so it is 3. Its place value is 3. The position of 8 at the is on tens, so its place value is 80. Similarly here 6, its position on 100, so its place value is 600. The position of 5 is 1000, so it will be, its place value will be 5000. And the position of 2 here is at 10,000, so its place value will be 20,000. So here it is asking, this digit is given from this number, this is 2, so what will be the place value of this number is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 10,000 means it's 20,000 to 20,000. 20,000. In question B, it is asking, the number is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 34,592. So here the place value of 3 is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So the place value of 3 is 30,000. Now this number ones, 10, this is the number in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. You have to find out the place value of 5. So it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So the place value of this 5 is 5 lakh. Here also it is asking other digits places. So let's see once again here. Now here 6. So at what place 6 is there? At 100 place. So we will write here 600. Then 5. 5 is at what place? 1000 place. So it will be 5,000. Again C in B. 4 it is asking, 4 at the ones, tens, 100, 1000 place. So we will write 4,000. And 5 at the place of ones, tens, 100 place. So we will write 500. Now again C1 is asking the place value of 7. So 7 is here, ones, tens means it is 70 and 2. So 2 is here, ones, tens, 100, 1000. The thousands position, so it is 2000. Now see the D1. To write down the place value of 7. So 7 it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It is on lakh position, so it will be 7 lakh. Then 1 position of 1 is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 at 10,000. So 10,000. And then 5. The position of 5 is at 100. Ones, tens, 100. So it is 500. So the last question on place value system. This is the place value of 1. So 1, the position of 1 you will see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 1 is 10 lakh. 1 0 double 0, then 0 0 0. Then place value of 4. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 4 lakh. And then place value of 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it is 50,000. So we have done this place value of the given digit